Shoot, no, I'm blanking. Give me just a second. Hi, my name is Tammy Wilkerson, and I feel blessed to work at NISC. So I guess my story starts out like many people. I started going to college and switched majors shortly after I went. When I was in high school, I really liked working with numbers and organization, but I quickly found out after a first semester in college that just numbers and spreadsheets weren't going to do it for me. I needed something more to fill my days. So knowing that business and working with people were something that I really enjoyed, I decided to go and change and double major to business management and sociology. With that, it really allowed me to expand, and I kind of felt business was a little bit more of a universal type thing to help me get a job and at least get my foot in the door somewhere. So they said everything was great, and they said the next step was to start an internship, find a great one, right? Well, I find it kind of ironic now because when I look back, the two internships that I was looking at, one was at a local telephone company and the other was a local utility company. When I was trying to decide which one to go to, I was kind of on the fence, but I ended up going with the telecom one, and it was more hours for less pay. Go figure, right? But so while I was inside all summer, all my friends were by the pool, sitting, soaking up the sun, and I was just absorbing everything that I could. So fast forward many years later, I'm still in the telecom industry, but I also get to be involved in the utility industry too. Over the years, I've really gotten a part of a lot of different areas. I've been in HR, recruiting, marketing, pricing, and I've even got to be a part of the NTCA marketing committee, which has really allowed me to interact with some incredible people in the industry. I really love how this industry feels like the small communities that I grew up in and I live in today. And because of that, it's gonna give me some lasting friendships for life. Overall, I'm super fortunate to be able to get to blend in so many of the things that I've done in the past with what I do today, and it's stuff that I've always enjoyed. So I still get to work with spreadsheets and numbers, but I get to interact with people on a daily basis, which really helps me to, I guess it's a good balance to help me stay motivated and challenged every day. I guess I have an amazing team of people that I get to work with on a daily basis. Not have to, but I get to. And I'm very thankful and very fortunate for all the opportunities that have gotten me to where I am today. So it's been a fun ride. It's been great. So that's what I got. Nope, that's it. I don't know.
That was really